Okay, so for the online people, hope my voice is clear for you. Can you confirm me on chat once? That I'm audible or not? Okay. So on last class, what we have seen? Ansible, right? Okay, Ansible is, read what I have said. Ansible is configuration management tool. What is the meaning of configuration? Software and, okay. What is the meaning of management then? Updating, deleting, installing of the packages of the server. Okay. So what is the dependency for Ansible? Ansible dependency, Python. Okay. Ansible is currently running by which organization? Which organization running Ansible? Red Hat. Okay. In Ansible, if I want to do a work, what I need to write? If I want to install a package, how I can install in Ansible? Like I want to do it. Huh? What it is? Yeah, tell me it's okay, fine. Mistakes are fine. Okay. In Ansible, can we use ad hoc commands to do our work? Then, so last class we have seen ad hoc commands, right? So today I am going to show you modules. Write the heading modules. Sudo -i. Okay. Sir, for example, like tell me how to get the list of all nodes. Ansible all -a. I asked the question how to get list of all the nodes. -, list -hosts. And I'll tell you one command, that is ping command. For example, you have 10 servers connected. How many servers? You want to check whether the server is responding or not. There is a command called Ansible ping command. Which command? -m all. What is telling? It is perfectly alright. Why? Because first of all, we need to define module. What we need to define? Then we need to give ping. -m for module. Ping is the module name. Is it working now? It will come out green color. Is it coming or not, sir? If any node is on red color, that means the node is not connected properly. The point clear? You have multiple nodes. I want to check whether my all nodes are running or not. What is the command we are going to give here? Write this command, Ansible -m ping all. Ansible -m ping all. So what is -m here? -m is the module. What is the -m here? Module. So today that we are going to discuss here, module. First of all, module. Write the heading module or modules. Anything is fine. Using this Canva. Sir, tell me the syntax of ad hoc command. I want to install Git. Tell me the syntax of ad hoc. Ansible all -a next double quotes. Inside double quotes, I need to give yum install git -y. Is it clear or not? So now here today we are going to discuss about modules. What we are going to discuss about? Modules. So let's understand what is the meaning of modules. 1 second. Give me 1 second. Copy of Ansible. Give me 1 second. Okay. So now here we are going to discuss about modules. So for example, what is the meaning of module? First of all, I'll tell you. Module is nothing but a key value pair here. For example, you want to install Git. So whenever you go for any company or Naresh IT, like what they will do, they will give one sheet, right? Name, your name, some ABC. Next, they will ask like course, some basic, okay, as well as they will ask fee. So here name is the key. What is name here? And this is the value. Again, course is the name, and it is the, this is what you are going to call it as key value pair. What we are going to call it as modules are going to work on. Modules are going to work on key value pair. Where it is going to work? Key value pair. Okay. What is the meaning of key value pair? Just now I said one example, right? Here key value pair is also called as dictionary. What we are going to call it as? Is it clear, guys? So modules are reusable. Modules are reusable. So these are 3 points you need to mention. So Ansible ship with number of modules called library modules, which directly they can execute on remote host. Okay. So what is the difference between ad hoc and module? Means in module you need to define -m for module. -m for what here? Module. Okay. 1 second. Let me correct the spelling. Define. Reusable. Okay. So these are the 4 main points. Module works on key value pairs. Key value pair is also called as dictionary. Modules are reusable and modules are going to define with -m. So for example, sir, I want to install Git. What I want to install? Tell me the ad hoc command to install Git. Ansible all -a for argument. So next to you, yum install git -y. Is that clear? Hit enter. So now if it is already installed, okay, it is already installed, right? So let me uninstall. How to uninstall? Instead of install, we need to give remove. So just to give remove. When you are removing, use star. Better. Star means everything related for Git actually. Okay. Is it done or not? Now I want to install ad hoc command is same. Ansible all -a yum install git -y. If you go and see here, is your Git package installing on all the servers now? Install, right? So if you want to do the same activity in modules, it is some different method. It is some different method. How to do it means I'll tell you. First of all, again, remove it. Like I'm telling about modules now. What I'm telling about? Modules. Ansible all -m. 1 second. The internet is not working properly. -m. Have you got the meaning of this line? First of all, Ansible all -m for module. What is the name of the module? Yum. -a for argument. So package what you are installing, state is equal to present means installing. Clear or not? If I hit enter, see it is working or not. Is it working, sir? So now if you go for the syntax, sir, is the syntax easy or difficult to remember? Sure. Sure or not? Okay, then. So next thing, like it is a thing, right? So see now. For example, you are saying it is very easy now, but on practical it won't work like that. But you also know it. But I'll tell you one technique. Tell me the ad hoc command first of all. Ansible all hyphen a yum install git hyphen y. Okay. Sir, you know module, like you know ad hoc command very clear. If you know ad hoc command, you can write the module. Okay, I'll derive it. First of all, if you see, Ansible all is common. Ansible all is common. Paste it. Is that clear? Hyphen A also common. Hyphen A also common. But sir, here you are using modules, right? What you are using? So give hyphen M. Okay. You are seeing M, right? What is the name of the module? M module. Which module? Give M here. Is it clear up to now? Again, one more time. First of all, copy this 3. Ast is copy. Okay, ast is copy this slide. But here before argument, you are working with modules. What you are working with? Modules means hyphen. What is the name of the module you are using? Because if you want to install packages, you need to have M or not. To install packages, you are doing installation. What you are doing now? Installation. What is the package manager to install? We are using, I mean, name of the package manager. Git, right? No. I'm not asking like name of the package. Name of the package manager. Yeah. Is the process clear up to now? So now on double quotes, what I am telling, what is the name of the package, sir, you are installing? Git. And what you are doing installing, what you are doing? So for module, when you are installing, you need to give state is equal to present. What you need to give? Is it clear or not? If you know ad hoc command, you can write the module. When I say it for the first time, you have some idea. But now are you having the clarity or not? This is what you need to have. Okay. Everyone will able to understand while I am saying on the class. But when you go for the practice or when you go for the interview, this kind of pattern you need to memorize. Is it clear? That's it. So now tell me, I want to install Java now. What I want to install? Java 1.8.0. Okay. Tell me the module now. Ansible. First of all, let's do on this way. Tell me the ad hoc command first. Okay, I am writing it. Ansible all hyphen a yum install Java hyphen 1.8.0 hyphen OpenJDK. Right? And here into give hyphen y. Clear or not? Now derive the module. Tell me. Ansible all hyphen M for which module you need to use? M module. Next hyphen a. And here brackets or double quotes? Then you are saying brackets. Okay. PKG. Okay. PKG Java 1.8.0 OpenJDK. Copy it and I'm going to paste it. Next, what I need to give? State is equal to present. Okay. Now copy this. Shift insert and hit enter. Now if you go and check, sir, is it working or not, sir? Check it. Is it going or not now? If I want to check the Java version on all servers, I want to check the version of Java. What is the command? Tell me on all servers. Ansible all hyphen a Java hyphen version. So now here you can get the Java version. Are you seeing which version is installed now? 1.8.0. So now tell me, working with modules easy or different, sir? Easy. When you know the ad hoc command perfectly, if you know ad hoc command, you can work on the modules. So now tell me, I want to install HTTPD. Now directly this time tell me, I want to install HTTPD, Apache web server. Tell me, Ansible all hyphen m hyphen a pkg is equal to HTTPD, state is equal to present. But for a change, I am going to give, instead of pkg, I am going to give the name. What I am going to give the, see what will happen now. What happens, sir? Installer. That means you can use package or you can use name itself. Correct or not? Like this. So now I want to update. What I want to do? Update. Same thing. Okay. Update means here you need to give this one. I'll show you. So update. Sir, only one thing is update is instead of present, we need to give here what? Absent. Absent means uninstall, man. I need to do update. Restarted, no. What we can give? Think once. If I give update, it will show me some error. Based upon that error, tell me the exact thing. It will definitely get one error, but tell me the exact thing. So now read this line and tell me the what exact line I need to give. What I need to give? It is telling that value of the state must be one of them. You need to give either absent, either install, latest, present, or removed. So what we need to check here now? Latest. Latest means what? Update. So give the latest now. It will work finally. You're working fine, sir, now? See, here it is telling that already all the packages up to date. There is nothing to update. Whatever you have installed, it is the latest one. So don't try to update. Why? Because it is the latest one, right? So I cannot update. It is showing like this. Sir, now HTTPD service. HTTPD is what? Whenever you download a service, by default it will be on which state? By default, every service will be stop state. I want to start it. What I want to do? See here. Here we already have something, right? What I need to give here? Absent, install, latest, present, removed. Install not. We need to give restart. What you need to give? Again, you need to think one more time. There is one small thing you need to understand. Understand the thing. To install yum, to install package manager is M. But what we are doing now? No. We are doing what? Restart. Yum is to install the packages. Understand the logic behind the scenes. Yum is to install the packages, but what my requirement is to restart the service. To restart the. So can we use M here? For that purpose, we need to give service module. Which module? Service. I am giving what? Service. See now what happened. Again, it is telling that. Just only one thing. Just you can easily find it. Here it is telling that restarted. But what we have given, sir? Mistake or not? Like that. Just to give ED. Okay. Why I am showing this kind of error means whenever you go for company, same errors will come. At that time, you need to troubleshoot yourself or not. For that purpose, troubleshooting also here, learning also here on the same platform. Now, whenever you get second kind, like whenever you are practicing for the first time or second kind, you will get the error. Whenever you get the error, are you going to read the message or not? Whenever you read the message, you are going to rectify yourself or not? That's the thing actually what I need. Okay. Is it clear, sir, now? Next. Okay. Sir, next, for example, I want to create a user. What I want to do? To create a user, what is the module we need to have? User module only. Service module will not work. So I am giving user module. Which module? Just I am changing only name. I am changing only name. I am giving the name Venkat. 1 second. Let's see the error. It is telling that value must be absent, present. Any one of them. But what you have given? That means we need to select from this both or not. So here tell me which one I need to select now. Huh? Present. Okay, so it is the command to use it. Of course, present without state also we can create the user. I'll show you. Sir, now is Venkat is there or not, sir? Now what I'm going to do is I'm removing this one. I don't want to give state, even though if I don't give state, it will work. For example, Vijay. Is Vijay done or not, sir? For Vijay, have I given present? State is equal to no. If you give present, it is fine. Or even though if you don't give, it is absolutely fine for us. So now is the module concept clear now? So we have seen M module, service module, user module. Of course, we have a lot of modules. One of the module I will show you is copy module. Which module? In real time, I have already said on Jenkins. Open your Jenkins project class once, all of you. In case of Jenkins project, I said one, all the application properties will be on one file. What is that file? I don't know. All the application properties is going to be set on one file. What is the name of the file? Already I said this one to you. I'll give you a couple of minutes, search for it. What I said. Pom.xml not. Hey, man, what is artifact? Where file na? My question to you is all the application properties will be on one single file. Not pom.xml. Don't think about pom.xml. I am not speaking about any tools. Normal one text file. What will be that? I'll give you a couple of minutes of answer. You can answer, like you can take your time. It is app.yml. Said this one. I will remember this one. In app.yml, every properties is going to lie in there. For example, your server URL, database URL, everything you are going to say, like write the node point now. In real time, the application properties like server URL. In real time, the application properties like in application, sorry, in real time, all the properties of application is presenting on a file called application.yml. In real time, all the properties of application is going to present on a file called application.yml. In the below line, write example server URL, database URL, server URL, database URL, load balancer URL, application name, and so on. Is that done? What you wrote, read me once. Sorry? In real time, all the properties of application is going to be on application.yml. Example, what I said? Load balancer. Okay. So is it fine for now up to what I said? So now, for example, in real time, all the properties of application is going to learn on application.yml. For example, I'll show you one basic application.yml. For example, basic VIM. Just I am giving. Internet gone. VIM app.yml. For shortcut, I am writing app.yml. Okay, you can also write application.yml. In application.yml, what we have? Configurations. For example, I am writing like this: server URL. Our server URL is, for example, I am giving HTTP http://nareshit.com. So as well as I am giving database URL. That means our Naresh IT information is going to be stored on some database URL. I am giving http:// I am giving 0.0.0.05432. It is the Postgres URL, database URL. Okay. Next, what I said load balancer URL. Some www.amazon.elb.com, something, whatever it can be. Naresh IT. Naresh IT, Amazon ELB, some whatever it can be. Okay. So like this. Finally, what I said, application name. Name of the application is, I am telling it as Naresh IT. Done now? So now my thing is, I want to copy this application environment to all the servers. I have one file on my local server. I need to copy it to all the servers. So the command is very simple. Ansible all -m. What is the module I am using? Copy module. Which module? -a for argument, you know. So here I need to do two things. First of all, source. What I need to give? Source is equal to, what is our name? app.yml, comma, destination is equal to / I am going to save it on TMP folder. In all the servers, I am going to save it on TMP folder. Now see what will happen, sir, here. Done or not now? For every server I have copied the application.yml to which path? TMP. If I want to check it, can I check by using ad hoc command or not? Tell me the ad hoc command. Ansible all -a ls/tmp. Don't forget to give this, okay? Now if you go and check, in /tmp, are you using app.yml or not, sir? So this is the model. In real time, we have hundreds of servers, guys. Hundreds of servers we cannot do and copy paste for all servers. Directly one single command per sec. Okay? Like that. So now this is the modules concept. Which concept? In modules, what we have seen so far? Service module we have seen. And next, M module we have seen. User module, copy module. Are this clear up to now? Okay. So next, what I'm gonna show you is, I'll show you some other module. So here in module, we have one major disadvantage. For example, single module I'm working finally. Single module I'm working. Assume you need to use 4 to 5 modules. Concept clear? I want to use 4 to 5 modules. What I need to use? For that purpose, it won't work. It won't work. For that purpose, we are using playbooks. What we are using? Playbooks. Sir, what is the meaning of playbooks? Playbook consists of, don't write the notes, I'll write for it. Playbook consists of more than one module. Simply one or more than one module. Okay. Playbook's main purpose is to do the work more efficiently. Okay. What is the main purpose of using playbook? To do the work more efficiently. Playbook consists of one or more than one modules. So these modules are going to be on key value pair. Again, to write the playbook, we need to use AML language. Which language? What is the meaning of AML? AML means yet another markup language. Is that clear, sir? AML means what here? Yet another markup language. Sir, AML is nothing but yet another markup language. If I want to write the playbook, I can write number of modules. For normal module, I can write only single module. If I want to write more than one module, what I need to use? Playbook. Playbooks will work more efficiently than the modules. To write the playbook, what we need to have, sir? AML. AML means what? Yet another markup language. It is serializable language. It is what? It is serializable language. Serializable language as well as human readable language. Human readable language. Is it clear, sir? AML is serializable as well as human readable language. Sir, now in AML, if you want to write the playbook, in AML I'm talking about, in AML, first 3 lines, first line starts with 3 hyphens and end with 3 dots. Okay, in AML, first line start with 3 hyphens and end with 3 dots. As well as everything will be on key value pair here. Everything will be on key value pair. Okay. So indentation is more important. If anything is wrong on indentation, we are going to get the errors. What we are going to get, sir? Is the process clear? First of all, playbook means what? Consists more or one or more than one module. It will do the work efficiently. To write the playbooks, what you need to use? AML. AML means what? Yet another markup language. It is a serializable language and human readable language. In AML, first line start with 3 hyphens and end with 3 dots. And it works on key value pair. Key value pair also called as dictionary. Just now we have discussed. And here what is very important, sir, for a playbook? Indentation. What is very important? Indentation. Now, for example, I'll write one playbook for you. What I'm going to write? One playbook. So I am giving BIM. First of all, remove this app.yml, rm minus f, app.yml. I am going to give BIM. Playbook name is Raham. What is the name of the playbook? .yml. .yml is AML language. You can write .yaml or you can write YML. Okay. So remember, if you write YML, it is also equal to YAML. Is it clear, guys? Okay. So now in playbook, I'll write something for you. Just check this out. First of all, playbook start with 3 hyphens. End with, but this is not really important. Okay. If you wanna have, you can have it, or otherwise you can remove it. So what I'm gonna show you is, see now. First of all, here I'm going to give like this: hosts. Sir, where you are executing? On all servers. Hosts, where you are executing? On all the servers. What I'm gonna give is tasks. In task, first of all, I want to install Git. Hyphen name of the task. Installing Git. Name of the task is what here? Installing Git. Second one, what is the module we are using? Yum module. Which module? Yum. So name of the package is Git. State is equal to, easy or difficult, sir? Just compare this with our whole stuff. I'll make it compare. Go ahead and give here now. So it is the module, right? It is the module. I'll compare module with playbook. See now. See, first of all, Ansible is the command line tool. Forgot about this one. Host all. Is it matched or not, sir? So just I have given task. What I have given? Tasks. So what is the module we are using? Yum. So here name is equal to Git. Matched or not? State is equal to, is there anything new here? Everything is common or not? That is very, very simple. That means if you know ad hoc command, from ad hoc command you can write the module. From module, can you write playbook or not? Because whatever in the module, I'm just converting into playbook. Again, so Ansible forgot about this. All means host. Task, what you are doing? Installing the Git. So here, just copy this entire line and give it here. If I copy this entire line, same thing or not? M and M. Name is equal to Git. Name is, of course, you can give package or name. Anything is fine. State is equal to present. State is equal to present. Everything copy paste. Cut, copy paste. Clear now? Or are you having any difficulties on this one? Are you having any difficulties? Playbook 1. Okay. Now let's try to execute this one. Save this one and try to execute. How to execute a playbook means, before executing, we need to remove Git. Correct or not? So I am removing the Git. you observe one thing, have you typed the full command? Then how it got? Huh? Tab. Not working now. Huh? First word. Okay, you come here. Come here. I'll teach one shortcut for you. Come here. You can use up arrow, na? Come here. Show me how to do it now. Hey, sure. Bye. Slow. Ansible. All. -A. It's not coming. Raman was ask it to come. Okay. Next you come. Come here. Hey, I'll teach you one shortcut. Come. Show it. Up arrow. See, okay. 1 second. Up arrow you said, right? I'll show you something. History. Up arrow means last command will come. Okay. But here if you go, I have given it almost 65th command. That means I need to type 10 to 15, right? I haven't typed 10 to 15. Na? Okay, sorry. Up arrow. So, okay, tell me. I want to get this command directly. I want this command. Show me how to do it. That many times you need to enter what? Okay, you need to give enter. Don't give it. So in Linux, you have one advantage, whatever it is. For example, sir, you execute one command here. I want to get the same command. See, the command is I want to get user at remo. I want directly get this command. See, Ansible all -a user at remo. It is the thing I want it directly. What you can do is you can do the reverse search operation. What you can do? In the command, you know one word, na? One word. So just to give Control R. If you give Control R, is it showing reverse search? What is the full command? Ansible all -a user at remo. If you give Ansible all of this command having Ansible all. But what is unique? Remo is unique there, right? So just to give REMO. Of course, remo and remove both are same, na? So it is coming. But what you can do is just to give like this. For example, I'll show this one. I want to get the etc pass WD. Ansible all - is common on all of them. What is unique here? etc is unique. Correct or not? Of course, etc also you have two things. Just to give Control R. 1 second. Just to give Control R. I want to get /etc. Direct command coming or not, sir? Direct command you can get. Okay. So now one more time I'll show you. For example, see. This time I want to get what? I want to restart this one. What I want to do? I don't write all of this. I never write. Why? Because it will take a lot of time. I want to restart. Previously, once I use this command. Second time I want. What is the thing I want to use? Reverse search. What I want to do? For reverse search, you need to press Control R. I want to do restart, right? So just type RESTART. Direct coming or not? It will save a lot of time actually. In real time also, I never type commands. Just to give Control R. Everything will do in 2 minutes. Okay. So use this shortcut, write this on your own words. I won't tell this, write on your own words. Is it clear now? So if you want to get one command directly, what you can use? Up arrow or reverse search? Reverse search, shortcut. Controller. And what you need to do? Find the unique word. For example, see. Sir, this time if I give history, I want to get Java OpenJDK 1.8.0. Don't give Ansible all. Ansible all means all will come. What is the uniqueness on there? Java 1.8.0. Type like that. Just to give control R, just type Java. If you type Java, see Java version also there. For that purpose it is coming. But instead of that, what I can do is I'll type 1.8.0. 1.8.0. Oh, 1 second. Just to give control R. What I need to give 1.8.0. Here dot is not working. Okay, but anyways, like here the keyboard is not working properly. You can directly give that. Is it clear, sir? That's it. So now how to execute a playbook? Our concept is that one. How to execute a playbook means we have a command. What we have? Ansible hyphen playbook. What is the name of the playbook? Raham.yml, correct or not? So it is a command. Ansible hyphen playbook, our playbook name. So just to give the command Ansible hyphen playbook, what is the name of the playbook? Already Git is removed, right? So if you go and say, see there, it is telling that error. A playbook must be a list of plays. Got class Ansible parsing.yml objects, Ansible mapping instead. That means here we have syntax problem. What we are having, sir? What is the syntax problem? I'll try to show it to you. Host all. Task also given. But I'll give you one more thing for you. Like it is very important actually. So just to give become. What I'm giving? Become. Yes. What I have given become? Yes. Execute now. Again we are getting an error. Why we are getting an error? Because host, exactly. Sir, host is the main thing we are forgetting. Host all means everything, you know, right? But in Ansible, we have something called as indentation, said or not? For host, you need to give hyphen. What you need to give? Hyphen. If you don't give hyphen, it won't work for you. Is it clear now? Okay. So remove this become also not required and give tasks hyphen. So guys, here everything is on indentation based only. If you forgot indentation, it is not going to work for you. Now execute the playbook. Is it working now? So everything is on indentation based. Which based? Okay. So now what is the name of the task? Installing Git. Is Git is installing or not, sir? Very simple. Git is installing or not? Okay. So now if you see here, play all means executing on all the servers. If you give host is equal to dev, it is going to play on dev servers only. If you give host is equal to test, it is going to execute on. But here what you said, host is equal to all. That means play is equal to rule number 1. Now second one is task. Task means gathering the facts. How many servers we have? These 4 servers information is going to be getting on this server. For example, what is the task sir here? Install Git. Gathering fact means I give the command yum install git is equal to -y. This gathering facts is going to get all the information about the servers. If the server is Red Hat or Ubuntu or some any other, the command is going to execute. For example, tell me in Ansible you have one Windows server. In Windows server it will work sir for you. Linux commands. This gathering facts will check the complete server information. What is the server? Windows or Linux? Okay, if it is Linux, what kind of Linux? Amazon Linux, Red Hat Linux, Ubuntu, Debian, it is going to check that information. Is that clear or not? That's it. Next task is, what is the name of the task we have given? Installing Git. So Git is installed on all these things. Is it clear? Now play recap means what just happened. In this particular server, OK is equal to 2. OK is equal to what? Change is equal to 1. Change is equal to 1 means we have executed one task. What we have done? Then what is OK is equal to means how many tasks are there? Task 1, task 2. This task is default task. This is the default task and this is the user defined task. So OK is equal to 2, change is equal to, is the concept clear for all of you? Everyone. Now one more time. I'll explain the playbook from starting point of view. Cat raham.yml. Host means all. Task what you are giving? installing it. So M is the package manager. M is what here? And state is equal to present. Is it clear, sir? So that's it. Of course, you can change the playbook names. I am changing. Move raham.yml to playbook 1.yml. Why? Because I am giving it for your purpose only. Okay. Cat playbook 1.yml. So already this is copied. So I'm going to give like this. Okay. Is the playbook one clear, sir, for all of you? Okay. So what is the name of the playbook is? Playbook 1. Is it clear or not? Now, sir, I want to uninstall it. What I want to do? For uninstall, what you need to give? Go to VAM playbook.yml. Instead of present, what we need to give? Oh, sorry. Yeah, Raham I have given, right? VAM playbook 1. So you need to observe one thing. I'll tell you. I'm going to remove this one. What I'm going to give? Remove means absent. So for Git, I said already, only for Git we need to give star. Instead of installing, you can give remove as well. But if you don't change, it is fine. Guys, remember, it is just only name. It is not going to link with this work. Whatever you give, it will go like that. For example, here, instead of installing, I am giving ABC. What I am giving? ABC. So this ABC doesn't affect this one. This work is separate. I am just giving only one name. Save this one. Okay. Just to give cat playbook.yml. Done or not? So now how to execute the playbook, sir? Ansible hyphen playbook. What is the name of the playbook? Playbook 1.yml. Of course, you can give your name as well. What is the name I have given there? ABC, right? Are you seeing ABC here? Playbook never care about your name. Whatever you want, you can give any name. It will care about the what is the command you have given, what is the module you have given. Clear or not? Like that. So it is the way to install and it is the way to uninstall. Sir, for example, here I am going to write playbook 2. What I am going to write? Playbook 2. In playbook 2, sir, you have shown us how to use single module, but I want to use multiple modules. What is the main purpose of playbook? To use the multiple modules. But how many modules I have shown here? Single module. That means we need to go with multiple modules or not now. How to work with multiple modules? Go inside playbook 1. Of course, like I'll write one more playbook for you. Newly playbook. VAM playbook 2.yml. So tell me the syntax. First of all, we need to start with 3 hyphens. N hyphen hosts. Host I want to execute on all servers. I need to give. Next, I need to give one task. In this task, it is called as array. If you give hyphen, it is going to call as array. What we are going to call it as? Okay. So just to give hyphen name. So first task is install a Java. What I want to install? So I am just giving installing Java. So what I have used, sir, up to now? M module. Which module? What is the name of the package? Java hyphen 1.8.0 hyphen open JDK. And state is equal to present. It is the first task. It is which task? Now second task is I want to install Maven. What I want to install? So installing Maven. So again, same what I need to give here. M name is equal to Maven. State is equal to present. Execute this one now. How many tasks I have given, sir? First task is what? Installing Java. Second task is what? So now you tell me how to execute the playbook. Ansible hyphen playbook. Next, playbook 2.yml. You can give your name as well. That's up to your choice. So now see here. First of all, gathering facts is task number 1. Task number 2 is installing Java. Java is already installed. For that purpose, it is coming green color. Don't worry about it. If you see already have installed Java or not. For that purpose, it is coming on green color. Which color? Now installing Maven. None or not? OK is equal to 3 means how many changes are here? Task 1 is gathering facts. Task 2 is installing Java. Task 3 is, but change it is equal to only one. Change it is equal to only. Why we are getting only one? I'll tell after this explanation. First of all, remove this both. Yum remove. Sorry. Go to ad hoc command Ansible. Or instead of ad hoc command, you can work with playbook as well. What my requirement is, I want to reinstall Java and Maven. These are already installed. For that purpose, first of all, what I need to do? Remove them. What I need to do? I can use ad hoc command or I can use playbook. Which one you want me to use? Playbook? Huh? Okay, now you only tell me. What I need to do here, instead of present, I need to give absent. How to do it? Don't do it. Use this one, set command. Why? Because for single time or 2 times you can use it. But if you have 100 times, what you are going to do? Writing this absent 100 times, no, right? Just gives replace absent. Is replace done now? Just execute. Execute the playbook. So now this playbook is going to uninstall both Maven and Java, but the name is installing only. I already said it never care about your name. Here Java is uninstalled, but Maven is not uninstalled. Of course, I'll uninstall by using ad hoc command Ansible all -a yum remove Maven -y. Maven, 1 second. Maven, shit is called up. Okay, so now execute this one. If you see here, both are not gone. Sir, what is the reason, sir? Star. What is missing there? I'll give it here now. Of course, you can give it the playbook as well. So just to go to playbook for Maven, I'm going to give it as star. And for Java also, I'm going to give it as star. Execute now. Green color means already done. Yellow color means changed. Is changed now. And for Maven is also going to change. Green color means already done. So why this is Maven is not installing? Once again. This Maven is not removing. Of course, if it is not Maven, I'll take one other. It need to remove actually. I mean remove Maven star -y. No packages marked for the argument of Maven. It's very strange. Maven is not removing. Okay, let's do one thing. In the playbook, I'll give one other package instead of this one. Let's go with tree package. Which package? Tree package. So again, first of all, I need to give absent with present. Because why? Because I'm installing, right? So absent, I'm going to replace with present. So here, instead of Maven, what I'm going to give, sir, now? Tree. So I'm also going to replace this one. Okay. Tree. So here on the name as well, I'm going to give it as, instead of Maven, I'm going to give it as tree. So here star is not required now. So now check it now. So green color means already done. And yellow color means changed it. Is it work out, sir, now? Probably done or not. So like this. Okay. So cat playbook. Here if you see change it is equal to 2 now. Okay is equal to 3. Explain me. First of all, okay. Explain me okay. Okay means task 1, 2, 3. Barabar? Changed means here 2. That means how many tasks you have performed. Is it done now? So this is the way how you need to read the play recap. So I'm going to give the playbook 2.yml now. Okay, guys, it is very easy. All you need to do is understand the logic. Okay. So now again, if I want to uninstall, what I can do? What I can do if I want to uninstall, instead of present, what we can give, sir, here? Option. So how to do it? How to do it? So go to VM playbook 2.yml. So instead of present, I need to give set command. So %s/, I need to replace present with what? Absent. Execute now. Done, sir, now? Okay. So I'm also going to give this playbook as well. Everything what I am showing you here, I'm giving it for your better understanding and practice. Sir, if I want to add one more thing, like if I want to add one more line, can I add it, sir? Like if I want to add one more task, can I add it or not? How to add it? Huh? Name? Okay, you tell me. VM playbook.ym. Oh, sorry. Copy playbook 2 to playbook 3.yml. I am copying. Why? Because why to write one more time? Playbook.yml. So I want to give one more thing here. So first of all, option I need to change with percent. Tell me colon %/ option with present. So now write one more thing. So this time I'll use some new module. What I'll use? Name installing. I am going to install Docker. What I'm installing? Docker is a new package. You don't know about Docker, right? But Docker is a new package. So instead of M module, I'm going to use this one. Command. What I'm giving? Sir, for M module, you need to write. Oh, sorry. Like let me use action module. You don't know about action, right? I'll tell about action. So just to give action. In action, you can give M. Okay. What is the name? Name of the package? Docker. State is equal to present. Normally, up to now, you directly use M module, right? But M module directly also useful like this. Action M. Name is equal to Docker. State is equal to present. Now try to execute this one. So Ansible - playbook 3.yml. So already Java is installed, tree is installed, but is it working, sir, now finally? No, why it is not working? Playbook 3 I wrote correctly, right? But see what will happen. Cat playbook 3.yml. Sir, I write correctly, right? But what happened, sir? You are? No, 1 second. Cat playbook 2.yml. Here I wrote the content on playbook 2, but I executed the. That means correct. Is it correct or not? Yes, sir. Not. Why it will correct? See, I just given the names wrongly. In your practice also, whenever you use the same playbook names, you will get the error. What I'll suggest you is use different names for the playbook, or one playbook edit multiple times. But sir, on class, why you are showing multiple playbook means to show you some clarity. Okay, indefinitely you are going to get errors on practice. While you are getting the errors, first of all, see what is the playbook you are executing. Okay, so now I want to execute what kind of playbook? 2 or 3? 2 na? 3 na? 2 only. 2 only. See now. First of all, Java is installing or not, sir? Installing. Next one, tree. Installing or not? Next one, what? Docker. Docker is also one of the DevOps tool we are going to learn after Ansible. Okay. Is it done, sir? Now? Okay. So now I am gonna give this to here. CAD playbook. .yml. See this now one more time. Just look at this one. How I have wrote this. Same thing, like you need to understand only one thing: indentation. Indentation is everything. For example, if I give one indentation wrong, it is completely failed. For example, here what I'll do is I'll give one indentation wrong. I'll give one indentation wrong and try to execute the playbook. VM playbook2.yml. So what I'm going to do is here, just to go to here, and I'm trying to change some indentation here. So see what will happen. What is telling? Syntax error. Directly you can see this. What you are happening? When you are getting some syntax errors, don't worry. I'll tell you on basic formula. Very basic formula, but very helpful. See. Sir, whenever you are giving hyphen, hyphen always start with letter number 3. Hyphen always start with letter number 3. First hyphen. Okay. First character. Second character is space. In third character, H is starting or not? Third character. First character is hyphen. After that, you are having space. In third character, everything is going to start. Here also, if you take task, behind the task, first character is gap. Second character is gap. Hyphen started or not again. So third character. Character is what? Third character. But still, if you are not able to figure it out, I'll tell you one more example for you. Just to give AML lint. This is a name, right? AML lint. Use it to validate the AML syntaxes. AML lint is used to validate the AML syntaxes. Which syntax is going to validate? AML syntaxes. So now if I want to get the error, I'm not sure where the error is, but I want to get the error. Just to give cat our playbook name. In this playbook, you have some error, but you don't know where it is. Copy this entire playbook and paste it here. Once you paste it, hit go. Are you seeing the error or not here? First of all, the error start with name. So you need to move to which line? Third, 1, 2, 3. Go now. So next one here, click now, hit go. Is it fine or not now? When you are getting syntax errors, what you are going to do, sir? Use the AML lint. AML lint is what? Syntax validator. AML lint is what here? Syntax validator. Okay, so it is day 2, right? Day 2. I'm going to give this. So from here, your actual DevOps main tools are going to start, right? So we'll go slowly, daily. 1 hour to 1.5 not. I'll never take 1.5 hour class actually. 1 hour, 15 minutes will be the last for class. Why? Because directly I can tell 1.5 hour class. It is advantage for me, but not for you, right? Who are here to get advantage? Me or you? Both. Both. Okay. Mm. నేను 2లో రాసా కదా, కానీ 2లో రాసా కదా. 2లో నుంచి 3 కాపీ చేసా. ఐ హావ్ కాపీ 2 to 3, బట్ I edited only 2 only. చేయబుద్ది కదా, just for fun. Okay. So now that's it about the day 2, guys. So in day 2, what we have seen so far? Modules as well as type of modules. M is one of the module we have seen. Service module, user module, copy module. Okay, next we have gone with playbook. In playbook, I have shown you how to execute single task as well as multitask, as well as in multitask also I have given different. So here once use M module, but second one I have shown with action. Of course, lot of modules you are going to learn here, not one or two. Of course, like by the end of session, you will learn up to 10 modules minimum in a least case I am talking about. So now can we proceed with one more topic or is it fine for today? Fine, sure. Jenkins, okay, that thing I forgot. Huh? Okay, I'll tell you now. First of all, the disadvantage of Jenkins is like we have a lot of disadvantages. Okay, but I'll tell you about advantages first rather than disadvantages. Like that thing you are going to know after this project, but you asked now, na? I'll tell it now only. Where it is, Jenkins. Have you read the document? What you got there? On the document, like what you understand the disadvantage of Jenkins and advantages. Of course, one thing, guys, in the history of DevOps, not only history of DevOps, history of software. No, not every tool is 100% satisfied with all the users. Okay, ప్రతి ఒక్క tool ki we have some disadvantages. We cannot say this is the perfect tool. For example, if we talk about Kubernetes, Kubernetes have a lot of disadvantages. Jenkins have a lot, Docker have a lot, Ansible has a lot. For every tool, we have some limitations. Not every tool is perfect on DevOps. First of all, we need to have this clarity. Okay, but again, let's talking about the disadvantages and advantages of Jenkins. Disadvantages I'll tell on the Ansible time. Already I said why, because in Jenkins, if you want to do setup, everything we have to do manual or not, but that we can automate on Ansible. Ansible directly you can install packages with the help of single playbook. But coming to the advantages, Jenkins follow master and slave architecture. Directly you can execute on production servers. First thing. Second thing is you can write your own plugin, sir. For example, instead of using other people plugin, I can write my own plugin. But when I am good at Groovy only. Okay. Next. Of course, you can use community plugin. That means Jenkins have community support. If community people write one plugin, we can able to access it freely and use it very freely. Next, can understand the process what is going on. For example, if you take pipeline, in pipeline everything is one sequential format, correct or not? I need not to read the entire logs. Directly whatever the stage gone wrong, directly I can able to get it or not. That is the process what is going on. And Jenkins master is going to assign labels to like this point we know. If slaves are not available, sir, who is going to do work? Jenkins master. For example, I have 5 slaves. All the slaves are busy in executing the jobs. Then Jenkins master will do automatically. For example, if slave is working down, one slave is completely crashed, master will do the work for it. Okay, like this. So these are the advantages actually. If we don't have Jenkins, we cannot do continuous integration, continuous development, and continuous deployment. If there is no continuous integration, time waste. But after continuous integration, time is saved or not. In a single place, you can do all the activities like that. So now these notes, I'm gonna give it on your GitHub account. Have anyone forgot the GitHub account? How many of you forgot? How many folks? Only one fork, huh? Then here I'm seeing 7 folks. Sorry. Pom.xml. Okay, anyways. So it is day 2. Edit this file and go for day 2. Is it alarm or what? Alarm, huh? Okay. Day 2. Okay, so that's it for today. So any doubts or any queries from your end on today's class? First of all, how the class for today? Good or difficult or bad? Good, definitely. You are good people, are definitely good for you. Okay, joke. Just go to the labs. Huh? Joke anna kada? It's joke. Okay. So now online, any doubts or queries from your end, buddies? Actually, I forgot one thing. I haven't given the history comments. Should have to tell me now. Okay, I'll give it. You go. I'll give it. What is Minikube? Minikube is your Kubernetes thing, Nirupa. I'll tell it on Kubernetes. It is the cluster of Kubernetes. I mean, single node cluster. Yeah, Manjunath, you can tell me, Manjunath. Okay. Manjunath. Yeah, Manjunath, speak.
Yeah, good morning, sir. Hello, am I audible?
You tell me.
Yeah, while I'm creating the agent in the project, it was showing that your agent is offline.
Manjunath, I'm not able to hear you.
Yeah, while I'm creating the agent in the project, before yesterday, we had done a project in last class.
Still not able to get your voice, Manjunath. Like, I think so. Like, I'm having some disturbance here.
Hello.
Yeah, Manjunath, tell me.
Yeah, yeah. Before last class, we have created a project now. On the project,
Exactly.
yeah, we have created a Swiggy agent.
Okay.
Yeah, while I'm creating the agent, it was showing that the agent was offline.
It is showing that what?
Agent is offline. Swiggy agent is offline.
Event is off.
Agent is offline.
Agent is off means that means you need to check two things. First of all, like host verifying strategy, you need to put it. Second thing is you need to check that Java is correct version or not. If these both are not proper, then you are going to get like that only. Okay.
Okay.
Hope it is clear for you, Manjunath.
Yeah.
Okay. So still any doubts or queries from your end online? So joining. We'll meet you all in tomorrow's class. Bye everyone.